Hi again everyone, Dallas here from zudutravel.com.au. Right now we're in Bangkok. We've come from Copenhagen today. It's a big day of travel, just like most of them, but today was a really long one. It's just after 5 now and we started at 7 o'clock this morning. So ferry ride, bus ride, plane ride, cab ride, and then now we're here. But we're on Sukhumvit 13 in Bangkok. It's a penthouse apartment, it's 2 levels. It's friggin' enormous. It's pretty old school. It's a little bit run down. It could definitely use a bit of a tidy up, freshen up. But the view is that I feel like you see a little bit of it behind me here, but I'll take you for a tour around. It's pretty epic. Let's go for a wander, right? You can see there it has full-size kitchen, massive living area here, looking down over Sukhumvit. Balconies look a bit shoddy out there. There's no grout in between the tiles at all. But forget about that. Look at this view. Level 43. I cannot wait to see what this looks like at night time. It's going to be epic. So opposite the living area, there's a little sitting area just there. I have no idea why there's a Christmas tree still up. This is the downstairs lounge room. I'll give you a tour of that in a second. Just here is a little wash area for the downstairs bathroom. Toilet, shower and a urinal in this one. And even a view from the bathroom. So over to the lounge room, we've got an old school leather couch, textured glass wall. I reckon this must be from the 80s, the way the decor is. Telescope there for people watching. Desk here with a nice backdrop to the city. And an 80-something centimetre TV, or 80-inch, sorry, TV. Don't know what's going on with all these cables and stuff here. That looks a right mess. Look at the view. I would say this is going to look pretty sweet at night time. Alright, let's go check the bedrooms. Some kind of display slash storage thing there. Those light switches don't seem to do anything. Oh, there we go. I don't know what the zebra couch is. That's more like from the 70s. I don't know. You can see in that time it took me to clear the car, the sun's gone down a bit further. So you're starting to see a little bit of the cityscape for night time. We've got some speakers here, bed. Up on the ceiling here there is a pull down projector, motorised one by the look of it. Or projector screen I should say. A very big set of wardrobes. Looks like a ladies' makeup area behind that frosted glass. Yes it is. Oh well, no use for that for me. But you can see all the way down the end there. Even though it's not a walk-in robe, still loads and loads and loads of storage. Way more than what I need. Seems to be a bit of a 70s pimp pad. Reminds me of Boogie Nights actually. Up the top up there you can see a projector. I don't know how it's going to work because I can't see any audio equipment. All the wood trims around here are all rotted away. I don't know if it's from water damage or what, but check this out. Falling apart.
I hope it's just the trim, not the building.
Anyway, so apart from the few minor things that are a little bit run down of the place, I think you would agree that the space and the view make this a pretty amazing spot. I mean, just have a look at this view. This is bedroom number 2. JC and Sam will be staying in here. Balcony looks a bit shoddy, but look at that view. Sukhumvit. Should see the size of the walk-in robe. It's like another bedroom. This is the bathroom. There's a massive tub with a view. Check that out. Interestingly enough, no shower. Let's go have a look at this walk-in robe. Look at that, it's got its own glass door. It's got its own air conditioner inside the walk-in robe. Look how enormous this thing is. It's crazy. Massive storage. All the way down. How much would you love to have a walk-in robe like this? There's a little sit-down area with a mirror. Makeup for the girls. Crazy, right?